Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily change Instagram username. So let's begin. So here we are in Instagram. So first open your Instagram, of course, and then what you want to do is tap here on the bottom right, your profile picture. And once you are here on your profile tab, then all you have to do is click or tap on edit profile right here, tap on it. And from here, you can just choose not now. And now you can change your username right here, but take note that you'll only be able to change your username back to this current username for another 14 days. So make sure that you take note of that if you want to change your username. Now all you have to do is type whatever you want right here, and then tap here once you are done typing for your username, and tap here on the check button so that it will be saved right there. And all you have to do is just that, and everything is done. Your username is now changed and it's now saved, and you can also add a few details right here if you'd want to, some additional details. But that is how you change your Instagram username.
Found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.